But my phone is lagging. Daddy is camera.
We are standing.
Oh, 307. Bro, they took out the priority seat, no. Okay, we film here. We are just thinking about mobility. We are not hating you. We are still until they just subscribe you back away. Oh my goodness. That's cheap. HBW go and mess with the train. Yes. Yeah, guys. Oh, I forgot. This bus is SBST. The last person who came here was yeah, this is way faster than walking. This is an abandoned secondary school. It is an abandoned secondary school. It looks like Westlake, but it's not Westlake. It's Temasek, but it looks similar to Westlake. The building shape. You know my dad's from Westlake. Why you want to? Okay, let's film here. You cannot see the BC face, so yeah, you're okay.
Why?
You do know that you do know the last visitors that came to the St. Andrew was huh? What about? Yeah, because we didn't meet here. But good thing we didn't meet him here. Oh! Because I didn't spot for it, so I just spot for 163. The KH is going to better finish before CCA start. If not, we cannot go. What if the KHI finish after CCA start? When the CCA start? February?
I think it's really recording.
When the CCA when always exit from the front. Is it possible, right? I'm not sure if you can do it though. But I always exit from the rear because that makes more sense. Wait, SJP, doesn't this look like the OC500LE?
Yeah, it is the same.
It's the same bodywork.
I think so.
Except the lamps are not.
Yeah.
Except they're halogen, not LED.
Yeah. So it is the same thing.
Yes. But then I don't. But I usually don't stop the recording completely. I just press the pause. They later even deleted the video inside Bedok interchange. I mean not Bedok Mall. Oi! You literally go and expose that. Never mind, I'll censor it. I was recording. Ay. Wait, this is Bedok interchange. This is Bedok interchange. What the? I don't know. Yeah, I didn't went Bedok interchange at all before. How am I gonna go to the MRT now? Yeah, I cannot spot Tanah Merah today. Oh. Seriously, I thought Bedok interchange was at Bedok Mall. Oh, it is at Bedok Mall. Yeah, we come up from here like you were. 255.
Bro.